Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a sleek, compact, and surprisingly powerful all-in-one desktop, the MSI PRO AP242P 14M. Whether you're setting up a home office, upgrading a workstation, or just want a clean desktop setup, this might be the machine for you. Let's get into it. It packs a 14th Gen Intel Core i5-14400 with 10 cores, boosted up to 4.7 GHz. It's paired with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM expandable up to 64 GB and a fast 1TB NVMe SSD. Whether you're handling spreadsheets, video conferencing, or light content creation, performance is snappy and reliable. In terms of connectivity, the AP242P has you well covered: USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI input, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and Bluetooth 5.3. It supports Wi-Fi 6E, so expect stable, high-speed connections. MSI keeps things clean and professional here. The Pro AP242P features a minimalist aesthetic with a compact 23.8-inch LED IPS display that fits perfectly into any workspace. The adjustable stand offers tilt and height adjustments, and yes, it's also VESA mount compatible if you want to free up desk space. The 23.8-inch Full HD display runs at 100 Hz, giving you smoother visuals than the standard 60 Hz screens. It's also equipped with MSI's Eyes Ergo Tech, anti-flicker, and low blue light features, all designed to reduce eye strain for long working hours. There's a built-in 1080p IR camera with Windows Hello support and a privacy shutter ideal for secure logins and video calls. The DTS audio enhancer is designed to provide an immersive audio experience. The MSI PRO AP242P 14M is a great fit for professionals who want a no-fuss, powerful, and space-saving PC. It's fast, well-connected, and thoughtfully designed with security features like TPM 2.0, a Kensington lock slot, and a secure boot process. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that balances performance and simplicity, this should be on your radar.